All right, welcome back with Reggae
Yes,
Boys
man.
news. Well gone. Reggae
Well, I
Boys
don't
news.
know. You tell me. I don't know. There's no news. What's the
Yeah,
news?
the news that we are waiting on, right? Will Tappa stairs Tappa go?
Yeah, it look like stay.
Yeah, look like he'll be sticking around. You know what I mean? I see like a certain some articles coming out in the media, trying to quell that storm a little bit. For anybody who's
Really.
wondering what we're talking about, reports came out over the weekend that the head coach would have been losing his job by Monday. Monday has come and passed, and not and it's still quiet on the JFF front. You know what I mean? All right, but there's some local coaches who feel that the Reggae Boys still have a chance. Some of us may beg to differ. A chance is still there, but it's very slim, and I don't think we're going to make it. I would love us to make it. You know what I mean? And anybody else that believes that we can make it, don't change your beliefs because I don't feel like we're going to make it. It's just that I'm just looking at the sport. I've seen the opposition. By now, we can see what's going on. Can we win these games? Can we beat? I honestly believe we can beat anybody in the group, but tactically we're lacking. All right, read between the lines there.
And also, the JFF also needs to take part of the blame for their poor logistics and planning
Yeah,
in organizing this team.
yeah,
You know, so you can't blame Tappa. We didn't give him all the tools to succeed all the time consistently.
yeah,
Not making excuses, even though that is one of my favorite jobs on this channel. But we have to remain objective. We have
yeah.
to remain objective, you know.
Um, I definitely feel there's more than top ahead for roll. But we understand how the politics work, and that not gonna happen so easy. That's easier said than done, right? Let me just get into this one. All right. So Jamaican coaches Ludlow Bernard and Calvert Fitzgerald say Jamaica's hopes of making the FIFA World Cup next year are thin after the last two results. They say that for the Reggae Boys to qualify, they must win their remaining games and hope that other results go their way. That is why I say myself, when you put yourself in that boat, you're automatically in trouble. All right. Bernard, coach of Harborview, and Fitzgerald, the former coach of Malines United, said that automatic top three spot is out of the question, and the team will have to look at securing the fourth playoff spot. All right. Bernard said that though there is still a slight glimmer of hope, he thinks the boys have dug themselves into a deep hole and will require many things to go in their favor. We left it a bit too late, he said. It may be a bit hard to really get the elusive fourth spot now. You think? There are still 4 home games to play, but it's going to be difficult because other teams are playing well and fighting for points. It's not impossible, but it's approaching improbability. We would have to depend on favors from other teams. We are out of the top 3, so only fourth place will be possible, and it's far-fetched because we lost valuable ground in Mexico, El Salvador, and the US games. True, but Fitzgerald said Jamaica has a squad capable of producing the results to give the team the best chances of nabbing the fourth spot. Yes, we have the squad, but do we have the coach? The position that we are in now, the only chance that we have is if we win all our remaining games and hope that the other results go in our favor. Our next game is Mexico at home. What are the chances of us winning that?
Next to nil for sure.
All right. So
Will Antonio be available? Will they make Antonio available? I see West
uh,
Ham
uh,
swiftly took him out of training, private jet him back.
yeah, I think he would be made available, seeing that it's a crucial part of the qualifiers. But any card can play. You know what I
Look,
mean?
the fact is, we can.
Yeah.
Are we? Whether Tappa is there or not, if they fire Tappa, I mean, what are we saying? Are we saying that Paul Hall will step up
No,
and make a big difference?
no, not even not. I don't even think if Paul Hall had Jesus as assistant coach, it would have thing there right now.
So
You know what
I
I
would
mean?
think might as well give Tappa the rest of the competition.
It gone bad, man. It gone bad from the start of the year. Things that we should have done for preparation for the World Cup, we started putting in place probably like the second or third game into the campaign. So
and it's ironic how we're at this crossroads for Mexico when the Mexico games last Mexico game is what started this problem, what a winnable game. I mean,
or a game that we could have left Mexico with a point.
Yeah. At least points.
Yeah.
And we didn't take that opportunity. And now it's the irony of it that we're in this crossroads and we're facing Mexico again, you know. But the thing is, even if we do beat Mexico, the players will always have in the back of the mind that, you know, a draw in the next 2 games won't, you know,
man,
even do it.
Yeah, man.
You know, that will be like an extra defender and right there on them with that in the back of the mind, you know.
And what I do agree with is we left it too late, and one of the main reasons why we are in this position is bad tactical decisions, starting lineups, substitutions, formations, personnel, positions, a lot of mistakes. You understand? A lot of winnable games we gave away. We gave away at least 6 points from games that we were in winning positions, if I remember correctly. I don't want to be unkind about it. I know there are games that the Mexico game is a game that we should have drew. We lost. The El Salvador game is a game we should have won. We drew. That last US game is a game that we should have won. We drew. So right off the bat, that's 5 points off the top I can think about. You know what I mean?
Are you laying all to bear, all you've listed on the feet of Tappa?
No, because like I said before, a lot of things that administration should have done to get this team ready and like fully prepared wasn't done.
Are we going to take also the claims that some games it wasn't necessarily Tappa's team that was selected?
You see, I don't even know what to believe when it comes to them thing there.
So no, I'm just asking. We're not factoring that in at all. Then.
Yeah,
that's all I'm asking.
I believe
as a possibility.
That's a possibility.
Or as a weight on his tenure right now. Should that be evaluated?
Well, I guess it wouldn't be up to us, because hear what I say. Here why I take everything, some of the information that come out with a grain of salt. It's just like how we start at the top of the discussion. Over the weekend we hear he was being fired and he was being replaced with this guy and that guy. Ricky Hill in particular, a couple of days after Tappa still in the job, Ricky Hill say him no know nothing what them talk about him a coach Jamaica. So the information sketchy. So even for go say the part where they must say Tappa no pick the team, that even that I feel that information is sketchy as well. You know what I mean? I don't know if them just put that out there for try to get somebody heat off of him or what. You know what I mean? So I don't know, but definitely it's not working. We have the squad. You know what I mean? Mikel Antonio individual brilliance gained us 2 points in the last round. So it's not like we don't have the players, we just don't have the system. And I don't think players are receiving the proper instructions. The midfield is never constructed properly. So I expect more of the same going forward. What say you before we get out of here?
I say we definitely don't have much hope, but I think at this point in time we should leave Tappa to fight for his legacy, really. You know,
So what you want?
because we're not going to find a replacement now. So
Yeah.
we're already in a bad position already.
So you say you're a Tappa in.
I give him the rest of the competition because it's all downhill.
I'm like, get him the hell out of here. Nothing personal against Tappa, you know, but just nah, bro. I don't see it happening. I can't work with Paul Hall for the rest of the
that's another
campaign.
thing too. That's definitely another thing too. We're not just dealing with an ordinary coach. You know what I mean? This is
I'm sure you said Donkey say world level. You see, after Jerome Wade pick up the 4-0 and come home, come say yo, come run up, come say a bag of tigger and get fire. He was out of here quickly. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but still,
yeah.
Tappa is a legend.
Huh?
Tappa is a legend in Jamaican football. It's different.
Yeah, but not on the field, but definitely lacking coaching.
I
don't disagree with you about that, you know. On the field, you can't take away none of his.
No. But you see,
in a coaching,
a moot point now.
In a coaching, him even win a local cup.
No, that point is moot. We all agree that he's not the man for the job. What I'm talking about is firing him now midway of the competition.
Yeah, done gone bad already, you know.
Exactly.
And I like say we in a good stead and it's a go rock the ship. The ship done turn over, brother.
That is why I said just give him, based on his legend status, just give him the rest of the competition. And that way, you know, whoever we bring in now, we can give a much better assessment, you know, because he'll have his own team by then, and you know, and it also gives Tappa a chance to turn it around. Who knows?
I hear you, but I don't agree with you. But you don't know. I'm not gonna kill you over that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I just one of them things that a lot of people feel the way how you feel, and a lot of people feel the way I feel. You know what I mean?
For sure.
Yeah. So let's agree to disagree.
There's no argument from me about him keeping his job. There's no. I'm just saying at this point, it don't make sense.
Yeah, it look like them are gonna stick with him still. So it look like them are work with your logic.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, my G.
Yeah, bro.
Thank you for joining me, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, share it. You know what I mean? Share the video, like the video so more people can see it. Get you up there in the algorithm, all right? Big up.
Big up.